Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn make sentences. Let's start. Waiting. I am waiting for you. Plant. I have a plant. Put. Rima puts soil in a pot. Day. The day is nice. Next. What is the next day? Today. Today I have go to the school. Give. Give me a pen. Sound. Don't make sound. Quiet. Be quiet. See. You cannot see colors at night. Instead, you can go to the market instead of me. Begin. Contract of the new building will begin soon. Twitter. The birds are twittering. Sing. I want you to sing a song. Sit. She likes to sit by the window. Branch. The birds sit on a branch of the tree. Fly. Birds fly in the sky. Tall. She is tall. Jug. She give us a big jug of water. Seed. I have a seed. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.